What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Pat Kim from the Homes and Solar FAQs YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the difference in $2,500 per month in a rent or $2,500 per month as you own your home. The reason why it's different is in a rental situation, they typically require 2 to 3 times the amount of your rent. That puts you right around earning $60,000 per year annually. They also want you to have average to good credit, so because they want you to know that you can pay on time. But like most Americans, we all carry some kind of debt. So just to throw out some numbers, $500 for a car payment, $400 per month for your school loans, $300 for your credit cards, and that puts you right around $1,200 per month towards debt. And for landlords, they really don't care, because if you don't pay, they just kick you out. It's just a rental situation. They'll put a new tenant in. And here's why: just because you can afford $2,500 in rent doesn't necessarily mean you can purchase a home that requires $2,500 per month in mortgage payments. So let's break it down. $2,500 per month when you own a home includes the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Quick side note, insurance is not home warranties. And that can also include the HOA dues if you live in a community, and the PMI, which is the private mortgage insurance if you put less than 20% down when you purchase the home. This requires right around $80,000. The reason being is most lenders, they give you a 40% debt to income ratio allowance, meaning you can only have 40% of your income going towards debt, while 60% has to be usable so that you can service the mortgage. So if you were to take the $80,000 per year divided by 12, because there's 12 months, and then you took that amount and you multiplied by 60%, that gives you $2,650. Math seems like it works, right? Be able to service that $2,500 per month. However, remember, most Americans have debt, and they're paying off car loans, student loans, which a lot of people have a lot more than 400, and credit card debt, which I know a lot of people have higher than 300. So we're using conservative numbers. So what they will do in terms of the lenders will take that $2,650 that you got from the $80,000 per year. However, because you have debt, they need to reduce the $2,650 by the debt that you're already paying every single month. So instead of you having $2,650 allowed to be used every single month, you actually only have right around $1,500, which the lenders see as a huge liability, and that's why they will not qualify you. So my encouragement, advice to you guys right now that want to buy a home soon is to focus on paying down your debt so that your debt to income ratio becomes lower and lower.